Hello. Have y'all updated your phone and you get the new like fast, I don't know what it is, like upgraded camera video thing? We're trying it out. We're seeing how it works. It's probably just gonna high definition all my wrinkles and craziness. I have no makeup on. I just got home from the gym, and by home from the gym, I got done with the gym and then protein shake burps. And then now I'm going to Target. I had to pick up, we're all gonna wear matching pajamas for Christmas because it's our first Christmas together and that's cute. And I realized, well, we bought Arlo some yesterday or the other day and myself, and then and Scott's weren't in stock, but then I was able to find them on order in store. So I did that, and then I realized I already have a pair of like buffalo check jammies. I just didn't know if I did or not. And I did. So I'm gonna return mine, pick his up, and that's pretty much it. And then I'm gonna run to the grocery store and get, hold up, wait a minute. And get some stuff for dinner. Scott is gonna go mountain biking tonight, so it's just gonna be me for dinner, but he'll have some later. But anyways, I'm just gonna make something quick and simple. And what else is up to today? I need to film, I need to edit, that's it. I want to work on Christmas ornaments tonight. And yeah, I just figured I'd start the vlog now. It's like 1 o'clock in the afternoon, but it is what it is. I've been editing and prepping videos and organizing and linking. Doing links for videos takes me like an eternity. So anyways, let's go to Target. Bye. Hi guys. It's been a minute since I've vlogged. It's not a different day, still the same day, I just changed. After I got back from Target, I filmed a little bit, edited a little bit, and got in my feelings a lot of it. I don't know what it is, you guys. I just feel like, I don't know. I'm just having a day. So it is what it is. I am cooking up some dinner before I go pick up Arlo. Scott is going for a bike ride. I'm making I'll show you what I'm making. It's really basic and my kitchen's a disaster, so don't judge me. So we have quinoa going on here, and I put broth in there so it's added flavor. So we're waiting for this to get to a boil and then simmering. I have some onions going here with some olive oil. I'm gonna season this up. Do 2 packs of lean ground turkey. We're gonna do like a veggie hash. I'm gonna do some red pepper and some broccoli. Like I said, my kitchen's a disaster, but I'll show you guys when everything's done. Terrible at filming this whole thing, but I just cooked the onions in there to start. Then I put the meat in, and then I let that cook down for a little bit, and then I added the peppers and the broccoli, put a lid on it, put a bunch of seasonings on it, and just let it chill for a while. And then once that was done cooking, I mixed it in with the quinoa. I put like basil, sweet pepper or smoked paprika, a little bit of cayenne in there, salt and pepper and onion salt in there. And that's it. It's just super easy. And I made a giant bowl so we can have leftovers. And we have a Mr. Arlo. Arlo! Hi! Hi, sweet boy. He's playing with toys. What are you doing, Bubba? Arlo Maxwell. Arlo Maxwell. Hi. Hi. All right, I'm sure that was annoying because nobody wants to hear mom voice. But anywho, that's what's gonna be for dinner tonight. And I've got some picking up around the house to do. I'll get this little monkey ready for bed. At 6 o'clock, he's gonna need another bottle. And yeah, probably make some Christmas ornaments. Honestly, I really need to get on that, but I don't know. Just had like an off day today. I'm not sure what's going on, but I'm tired. So we'll see what I end up getting into for the rest of the night, but I will let you know. And I'll also show you our Christmas tree in a minute as well. And I feel like I've just been rocking this side ponytail like all the time lately. It's a look, but I don't know about a good look. What are you doing in that pot? Hey, Arlo Maxwell. No. No. Drop the dirt. No. Arlo, why do you eat the dirt? Hey. Why you eat dirt? Why do you eat dirt? You drooly monster with your socks coming off. You're not eating that plant. Anyone else's kid obsessed with plants like mine? No, buddy. All right, you guys. So I am pretty much gonna call it a night. I'm just having a day, you guys. I don't know what's going on, but I wanted to show you something really quick. This isn't sponsored. One of my subscribers is the creator of this box and reached out to me, and I was so excited because I thought it is such a cool idea. So I just wanted to share it with you guys. And if you have anyone that would be interested in it, or if you're interested in it yourself, I think it would make a great gift. I don't know. I'm a sucker for subscription boxes, and especially ones for a new mom is such a cool idea. So let me show you guys. I'm gonna prop you up on my water. Hopefully this works. It's not gonna work. I don't know why I thought it would work. Let's go at this angle. This is so flattering. It's fine. So it came in a super cute box, and I will have it listed down below for you guys. It's called the Mommy Box. Boxy Mama. Boxy Mama. And it's like To One Amazing Mom, the Mama Box. And this is all of her stuff. So I will leave it listed down below. Like I said, this isn't sponsored. She just sent it my way, and I thought it was so cool. Sorry, my show just like popped on. Let's pause that. Anywho, I just want to share with you a little bit that's in it. Like I said, I already peeked, but it comes like every sort of, oh my God. Oh, I didn't even see this. Oh, perfect. She said your followers can get $5 off any box subscription with the code Kelly's Life. So, oh, that's so sweet. That's so freaking cute. So, check that out if you're interested. Her name is Sarah, and like I said, so sweet. So she like writes like a personalized little note in there for you as well. And then it goes through like everything that's in the box. I just think it's such a cool concept. So, it tells you what the prices are as well. So the monthly box, the t-shirt. Oh, you can get t-shirts only, or you can get the box, or you can get the box plus the t-shirt, which is kind of cool. She sent me the t-shirt as well. So let me go through some of the goodies because they're really cute. Oh, she has like everything's like this is so cool. I love this. Olga's Organic, so it's 25% off for Olga's Organic, which I believe is this powder, which I'm super excited about. Who doesn't love a translucent powder? And this one's a mineral. It's organic, yeah. And it came with a brush. Oh, this brush is so freaking soft. Ooh, I like that. I'm excited. Maybe I can try this out in my Girl Talk Get Ready with me, since I never use new products. The next thing is this, which is so cute. Who does not have like enough reusable cups? And this one's really cute. This one would actually be really nice for protein as well if I got like a blender bottle in it. This mom runs on caffeine, wine, and Amazon Prime. Is that not the cutest thing in the entire world? Like, this is, you could get this box and split it up if you wanted to for gifts. You could just get it monthly for yourself, like treat yourself. You could get it for a friend who's a new mom. I don't know. I just think this is super cute. I'm excited to try this. This is a zesty cinnamon apple. It has as much caffeine as a cup of coffee. And Lord knows we need that. It actually has more. That's nuts. So I'm going to try that. Oh, ooh, yay. Like I said, I didn't look through everything. I just opened it because I was excited. This is by Earth Harbor. This is Aurora Superfood Illuminance ampoule. It's sea greens and cannabis sativa hemp, which I'm all about that life. So, oh, it's nice. It's like a face oil. That's really cool. Let me feel it out. See how it is. Because you know how if it's light, it's a daytime oil, and then if it's, I like to mix daytime oils in with my foundation, but if it's thick, I like to use them at night. Ooh. That could actually go, oh wow, that smells, I love herbally smells. That could go during the day, honestly, or at night. Oh, it's so nice. It's really lightweight, as you can see. I don't know if you can tell. It's really luminous. I like that. That's really nice. Cool. This is just like a little clutch thing that says you got this, which, you know what, sometimes you need a reminder because mom life is tough. So that's really cute. She got me this shirt, which I thought was so sweet. So this is, if you get the box and the shirt, this is the shirt. And this is what it says: laundry today or naked tomorrow. So freaking cute, I love it. And then last but not least is a tote bag, which who doesn't need a tote bag? If you're using grocery bags, which I know now is a weird time because a lot of grocery stores aren't letting you use reusables, but if you aren't using reusable grocery bags, like, get with it, girl. So this one's really cute though. It says a proud member of the Tired Moms Club. Real life, real freaking life. This is so cute. I'm probably gonna use this for just like running around Target, you know, because I mean, you have a bag like this, and if you don't get stopped because other moms see you, then I don't know. You will though. Anywho, it's just packaged super cute and says Happy Mail. I love it. I don't know. I just thought this was really cute. Like I said, this isn't a sponsor. It's just a really sweet subscriber reached out to me, like I said, and she's the owner of this box and is just trying to spread the word for mamas who need some love and attention. And you know, it can be kind of difficult, and I didn't really talk much about like birth and afterbirth and all of that. But you know, when you're like doted on when you're pregnant and all that, and then as soon as you pop out this baby, the baby is the center of attention. Don't get me wrong, the baby should be the center of attention. But like, mamas need love too. And something like this is such an amazing way to just like make someone feel special. So if you have a new mama in your life, this would be such a cool concept. So I'm so excited. Like I said, I'll have everything listed down below for you guys. But yeah, I just thought it was really cute. So like I said, this is gonna wrap up today's video. I'm excited for this powder and this face oil and everything else. Okay. Side ponytail just never leaves my life. Okay, I keep saying, okay. I'm really gonna go now. Goodbye, you guys. I love you. I will see you all in my next video, and hopefully I'm in a more chipper mood, because tonight, not my night. But on the plus side, Arlo went right to bed, so can't complain on that. Bye, guys.